Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I wasn't joking when I ended my last video of Tarrytown and Sleepy Hollow saying that I'd be heading back again next year. This time, my husband and I decided to do a little day trip from New York City. This year, we relied exclusively on public transit, namely the subway and the Metro North. Our first stop once we'd gotten into Tarrytown was to go back to Pliables for pumpkin cream cold brews. After that, we explored Tarrytown and Sleepy Hollow a bit. Although the leaves hadn't changed yet, we enjoyed the other Halloween and fall vibes. This visit, we made a point to tour Philipsburg Manor. We learned about colonial New York and the enslaved individuals who worked on the property in 1750 by educators in period clothing. We were pretty hungry after the tour, so we went back to Horsefeather's for some dinner and pumpkin drinks. From there, we headed back towards the waterfront. We enjoyed a walk along the Hudson River and stopped to see if any of the murals had changed since last year. They hadn't. We took the Metro North again to Croton-on-Hudson so we could check out the great jack-o'-lantern blaze. Blaze has thousands of hand-carved jack-o'-lanterns displayed with special effects and a spooky soundtrack. We'd actually attended Blaze once before in 2020, but wanted to check it out again. While many of the installations were familiar, there did seem to be a few that were new. Comment below to share your favorite pumpkin installation from Blaze. And that was our day trip upstate to see Tarrytown and Blaze. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Apologies if I sound kind of sick. I am.